You're in the middle of your medical malpractice trial and you don't like how your case is going. Can you switch attorneys in the middle of your trial? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer is that technically you could, but I'll tell you why you don't ever want to do that. You want to know why? When you're in the middle of a trial, it means that your attorney has spent years in the litigation process. He spent years learning about your case. He spent years and hundreds of hours of his time to learn all the details of your particular case. He should be familiar with all the medical records. He should be familiar with all the testimony that's been given in the case up until the time of trial. Your attorney likely has spent hundreds and hundreds of hours preparing your case for trial, in addition to all the expense that he's had and put into getting your case ready up until the point where you're now at trial. To now go ahead and try and switch attorneys in the middle of trial, it is going to be extremely challenging, if not impossible, to try and find an attorney to come in and take over his place. No attorney can come in cold and start taking over your trial. It's not going to happen. If you feel that your attorney is doing a terrible job and you feel you have no choice, in all likelihood the judge is going to declare a mistrial. Why? Because you won't be able to get an attorney to come in the middle of your trial to now take over. They're not prepared. They don't know anything about your case. They don't have any witnesses lined up. They haven't prepared any witnesses. And now to get up to speed can take weeks and weeks, if not months, to really truly understand everything that went on in your case. Plus, it sends a significant signal to the defense, meaning that you're not prepared to go forward, meaning that you likely have a weak case. So that's a strategic problem that you're going to have if you switch attorneys in the middle of your trial, thinking, hey, I'll just get somebody in, go ahead and start trying this case, and they can finish it up. No, that's not how it works. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a medical malpractice case here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have concerns or questions about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but have not done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.